Alright guys, today we're going to look at unboxing and setting up an overhead camera mount stand by Neewer. I bought it from Amazon. It was around £130. I'll put a link in the description below for those that are interested. So what we'll do now is unbox and set it up. There's actually quite a substantial weight in this box, so I think once it's built it's going to be quite solid. So that's what everything looks like unboxed. The manual itself comes in several different languages. Per language there's maybe only 3 or 4 pages, so it doesn't look too bad to set it up. So what we'll do now is get started setting it up. Okay, now that's all put together, this is what it looks like. It's actually really solid, there's not really any play in it. Lots of space underneath to work. Holds camera really solid. Has a quick release plate on it. You can also adjust the height of the stand to suit. Unfortunately you can't adjust the width of the stand though, just the height of it. Putting it together wasn't that difficult. I couldn't really capture much on camera just because of some of the angles. If anything, to make it easier, I think each side should have been labelled left and right, but apart from that it wasn't bad at all. If I put one of the standard blue electronic mats underneath, you can see how much space you've got to work. Really decent size of space in between. You could also use these mounts here to mount stuff like lights and things like that, which I'll possibly do in the future, to prevent any shadowing and stuff. I feel like me and you do a lot of stuff you require overhead camera, then I would really recommend getting one of these. I did struggle a lot of time with the tripod, trying to get right angles and things like that, especially when I'm doing soldering work. I think this will actually be ideal. On my camera I've got one of these outer case things. Unfortunately you can't fit that onto it with the clip provided, so I had to remove that. Not a big deal, but just worth pointing out. You actually get these with it as well. That's used for, you could hang backdrops or backgrounds from it as well. I'll probably not be using them, but you get them anyway, so it's a nice option to have. So there it is, folks, the Neewer overhead tabletop mount stand.